Well, we've made it back. We've gone from Melbourne to Marysville, Marysville to Woods Point, Woods Point down to Kevington Hotel, then from Kevington Hotel to Lake Eildon, and then from Lake Eildon through Yea back down to Melbourne. 600k round trip, mate. Absolutely amazing trip, Louis. Thank you very much for a fantastic trip. Dave, favourite part of the trip?
The whole thing, really. But if I wanted to point out a section, it would be the dirt roads.
Yeah, that was good fun on those.
Oh,
A bit scatty. I think we both like that.
Yeah.
Now, the other thing I've got to thank you for, mate, is taking my jocks and socks in the panniers. Thank you very much.
Oh, that's what those big things were. I wasn't sure. I didn't want to touch them. But yeah, no problems. And geez, those panniers, I didn't even know they were on. And even in the rearview mirror, I couldn't see them. Until I got off the bike. Oh, I've got these things on my bike and yeah, didn't even notice.
Well, there was a reason you were carrying those anyway. And Louis, I got to say, mate, what are these things worth? Because they were really good fun.
Well, they start off at 10,990 for the 650 and then range up to this 1000 XT here to 16,490. So we've got a couple of 650s and we've got a few thousands in the range and a few variants.
Geez, that's good value,
I know, I'm going to have to save up 16 grand because I like the 1000 actually, I must say.
Yeah,
I like the big one.
Reserve this 650 for me, I think.
What? No way.
Yeah.
I'll get a better discount. Surely, Louis. Surely.
I'm sure you will.
Yeah.
Well, it was a fantastic trip. I really, really enjoyed it. Louis, when is the next one going to happen?
Oh, pretty soon, I reckon. That wasn't bad.
Yeah.
So we had a great trip and I think it was better than being in the office.
Yeah, that's for sure. For sure. We're going to do that again anyway. So, boys, thumbs up for the trip?
Yep, absolutely.
Awesome.
It was fantastic. Get out and try one of these and do what we did. That was good fun.